Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add the missing color option from the right click menu of the Agile board. Okay, so currently we are onto the Agile board, and if we make a right click here we see that the color option for setting a specific color of the Agile card is actually missing from this menu. Okay, so if you'd like to add it, you have to go to administration here onto the top right corner and then go to Agile, and here colored by. Colored by is currently set to null colors. You have to expand the drop down menu here and select an issue, so it should be colored by issue. Okay, so please make sure to apply the changes, and afterwards everything is fine here. So let's go back to the Agile project and see what we have done. Okay, so we go to the Agile board here, and now when we make a right click on some ticket, for example this one, we see that the color option has just appeared here. So we could change this ticket to be red. So here it is red, and let's pick another one. We could change this to be, for example, green. Okay, so here it is green. So this is the way of making a right click menu color option appearing to your Agile board. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like it you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Bye bye.